They've all been watching.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now.
Unfriended Dark Web by Stephen Susko. A stand-alone sequel to Unfriended that shifts from supernatural horror to techno-thriller. The story follows Matthias, a young man who finds a laptop filled with disturbing files. During a group video call, he and his friends realize the laptop belongs to a dangerous darknet syndicate. As they uncover stuff films and human trafficking operations, they become targets of organization which uses hacking, surveillance, and psychological manipulation to hunt them down.
Are there any trends in ICT that happened in the film? If yes, please elaborate.
First is the dark web, explores the hidden parts of the internet used for illegal activities. Next is hacking, shows how easily personal data can be accessed and manipulated. Next is cryptocurrency, highlights anonymous digital transactions in the black market. Live streaming, it depicts real-time crimes broadcasted over the dark web.
Are there any internet trends shown in the film? If yes, please elaborate.
First is hacking. The syndicate controls device and data. Next is doxing or blackmail. Personal information is exposed and weaponized. Next is cyber stalking. The group is tracked and manipulated online. Next is human trafficking and snuff films. Explores the dark reality of cybercrime.
What are some lessons you've learned in this film?
First is be cautious online because the internet can be dangerous, especially the dark web. Especially, privacy is vulnerable. Personal data can be exploited in unforeseen ways. Technology can be weaponized. Hackers and criminals use it for control and manipulation. Next is think before engaging. Curiosity about illegal activities can have deadly consequences.